Welcome back. If this is your first time, my name is Bodo and I teach Thai language, obviously. Anyway, the word today is stand. Yoon in Thai. Here we go. All right, yoon means stand, standing up, stand up straight. Okay, stand, yoon, yoon. Yoon is a mid-tone, yoon. How to use that in a sentence? So first one is yoon raw. Yoon raw. Raw means wait. Wait here. Wait there. Wait over there. Wait over there. Go wait over there away from me or whatever. Or wait right here next to me. Okay? Wait. Okay? That's raw. Okay? Now, yoon raw means stand here and wait. Don't sit. Nobody else is sitting. Why do you want to sit? Crazy. Stand and wait like everyone else. Okay? Be normal. Stand and wait. Just like, you, for instance, if you're at a restaurant, they might say, can you please wait 5 minutes? And we'll get you seated. Okay? So, stand and wait. Yoon raw. Okay? Yoon raw. They could say, in Thai, could say, yoon raw gone. Gone means just hold on, just wait for a little bit, yoon raw gone. Please wait here. Okay, it's not gonna be long. Yoon raw gone. All right. Now, you can use krap or ka at the end of a sentence. Krap is for male. Okay, male, and female would be ka. Okay, or ka or ka. It depends on the situation. In this situation, it would be yoon raw gon ka, means please wait here. If a waitress, the wait staff, is a female, we will say yoon raw gon ka. Now, as a male staff or male waiter, we will say yoon raw gon kap. Next one will be yoon trong. Yoon trong. Trong means straight. Stand up straight. Sometimes you're like you're slouching. You're just slouching. You're just going on your day or whatever, right? You say yoon trong means stand up straight. Okay, before you go into a bar, you don't want to get all slouchy walking in, right? It's kind of like unattractive. I don't know. For me, you can stand up straight. Yeah, you present yourself, right? Yeah, yoon trong. Trong means stand up straight. Sometime in Thailand, you're going to come across a time when they ask you to stand up, if there's a national anthem playing or whatever, okay? So they say, please stand up instead of sitting. And they will say, Karuna means please. Karuna. Yoon kun. Yoon kun means actively standing up from seating position. Karuna yoon kun. Okay? Means please stand up for giving respect or whatever. I don't know. Karuna yun kun. Another one you can use is in a sentence is to point in a direction. Just say you're with your friend, your Thai friends, right? You're waiting for a Thai visa and they just stand right here, and you can say, can you please go wait over there? Go wait for me over there because I just want to talk to the guy. You don't have to be here. You can say คุณไปยืนตรงนี้ไปยืน คุณ means you okay you ไปยืนตรงนี้ and point to where you want them to go to stand ไปยืนตรงนี้ means please go over there and wait for me. You don't have to breathing down my neck. I just need some space. Okay, now ไปยืนตรงนี้ means please go wait over there. But if you say way over there, you can say ไปยืนตรงนู้น way over there, away from me. ไปยืนตรงนู้น. Okay, direction. I made videos earlier on directions. You can go back and watch it and find it. It's pretty easy to find. So my name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.